Okay, let's go on this adventure. Oh, I just got package here. Okay, it's 48 Fahrenheit, 8.8 Celsius. Just got off of work, worked overtime today. And I figured out why the doggy's glad to see me when I get home, because mommy disappeared. And then they probably think that I'll disappear, especially when I have to work overtime. So they're very, very happy when I show up. I've done a video of it, I didn't put it out yet. Oh, good boy, Barkley, good boy. Yeah. Oh, I wasn't going to go to the store after work. Good girl, Lucy, good girl. Yeah, good puppies at Barkley. Good Barkley, you know better. Barkley, you know better. Ah. Woo. Gotta go work a little bit earlier tomorrow. Really need to go to the store. I've been holding it off. What? Oh, little doggy over there. Little doggy over there. Little doggy over there. She looks so cute like that. Come on, Lucy. Come on. I don't know what you guys yapping about. Actually, the other dogs are the yapper. Ooh. Hold on. Y'all got to smell that corner of the tree. Barkley, that's your old pea spot. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Need to make some time to go to the store though, so I can get some more meat for the dog food. Oh. I wonder whose car that is. Come on, you ready to go in? Oh, Barkley peeing again. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Come on, Lucy. Let's go in the house. Come on, let's get a treat. Come on. Come on, Bark. Lucy, you got to do anything else? I'll wait. If you got to do something else, just do your business. Yeah, you do. Just go down waiting. Good puppies. Yeah, that's good puppies. Good Lucy. Yeah. Okay, ready? Yeah, kick that grass way high. She can really kick that grass high. Come on, let's go. Come on, good puppies. Yeah, yeah. Thanks to folks for watching with us. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. We really do. Thanks for watching, folks. The next time later.